Come on, man. You see the vibes. Got my helper already starting. We got 2 Bentley coupes back to back. Oh, that's the drop top right there. But yeah, we about to do a full makeover. We got the drop top right here. Feel me? Back to back. I have them done both at the same time. Nothing too crazy. I already got all the parts for this. This one right here is newer. A little cleaner. This one came from Copart. And this one, you can see it came from IAA. I don't know what that's about. Little smiley face and all that. Interior, clean on this one. It came with a couple parts inside too. That joint looking clean. Nice drop top. I'm my helper. He don't be helping me no more. He said I ain't paying him enough. Come here, Cash. Let's go. We gotta fix this car, man. We gotta get this done. We're playing games. That's what he's doing. You gonna help me fix the car or what? Come here. They both start right up. Both running drive units right out of the auction. 20,000 miles. Got this one right here. Come on, start the car for me. Oh, because I got the key inside. I wonder. Both start right up. But yeah, these are both easy fixes, so I'm gonna have this done quick. Listen, as long as it runs and drives, that's all that matters. Even if it didn't run, it doesn't matter. They both got the V8 in them. What you think about this fix, Cash? I already, like I said, I got all the parts for it right here. Check it out. So we working with this one first, you feel me? 2 fenders, grill, bumper, mess with the harness right there, headlight, feel me? We got everything here, headlights in the trunk. This right here is an aftermarket kit from the SUPERSPORTS model. Feel me? Bumper, I got the grills in the car, both fenders. That's the old grill all cracked up. This is the price it came out to, aftermarket. A lot of people say, oh, you know what I'm saying, those prices don't add up. This is the price. It came with the whole kit. Like I said, it's aftermarket. This came from China. Everything in that kit, you know, with the shipping and everything, $2,700. I think it was like another $300 for like importing it. At least this kit came before all those new tax laws and everything. So, you know what I'm saying, everything's looking right. And I'm going to show y'all how the aftermarket is gonna line up good. A lot of people always talking about, oh, the aftermarket ain't gonna line up X, Y, Z, but we're gonna show y'all. A lot of it just be talk. I got OEM fenders right there as well, so it's OEM. Another OEM one right there. OEM, aftermarket. We're gonna go with the aftermarket because it's got the scoop, everything looking better. But yeah, watch how I turn this around. This is why I fix the car so quick, because before I get the car, I try to source the parts. I don't want to get the car and now I'm looking for parts. I can't find parts. You feel me? I always have the parts already or on standby. I got spots that sell them. Shout out to LA Global Parts. They got me right with the headlight right here, used headlight. Feel me? Good prices, $600. A couple grills for the front and all that. Little bezels, little pieces like that, cheap, you feel me? Shout out to them. They got a lot of parts they got. I bought a lot of Bentley parts for the Bentayga and for this car from them. So yeah, you feel me? Always got to try to find the parts. Parts be the major things with these cars, rebuilding these cars. Because now you got the car, you can't find the parts for cheap or good prices. Now the car's just sitting. I always try to find all the parts. I do aftermarket, used. I don't ever really go to the dealer unless I need airbags. Because in New York, you need brand new airbags out the dealer. It's the only deal breaker I say about New York. It's really like a waste of money, if you ask me. But yeah, other than that, when it comes to like parts, like I said, if I don't need to go to the dealer, if it's not like an internal part, something in the engine, I'm not getting dealer parts. If you want to do dealer parts, go do your thing, man. I'm gonna go aftermarket. I'm gonna look used, junkyards, everything. Feel me? I already know all the spots that sell all these parts, so. Yeah, so you see this one, we got the traction light on, and that's only on because we got to drive the car. The battery was dead, so no check engine lights on this one. This one's easy. Feel me? Got the Netflix and chill and all that. Same Netflix and chill with the stars on the ceiling. So yeah, man, I'm about to have this one fixed. This one's a personal. This one's for me. This one's for me to keep. This one right here, this one's for my customer. Got this one for my client. Fix it up for him. He gonna be good to go. Like I said, we're just waiting for parts on that one. Like I told you, man, this one's gonna be real easy. I just want to test fit. Like I said, these are all aftermarket kit parts. So I want to test fit it, and then it's gonna go in for paint. We're still waiting on a couple parts for that one, a couple internal parts. But yeah, this one, knocked this one out easy. See this one right here? Already got a couple radiators coming in. A couple hoses we waiting on, the headlight we waiting on. This one's gonna be good. How we looking, man? How we looking? Come on. So it's looking crazy over here. Got all the radiators out. This is the stuff you don't see. Get into the details, man. Look at that. Water pump housing, all cracked up. I actually got to change the water pump on this Bentley too, so now I could just order two of them at the same time, get my good dealer's discount. Yeah, so only stuff like that I buy from the dealer, like water pumps. I'm not gonna go with no little aftermarket water pump kit. But like I said, you see, you got the Audi. I'm not gonna look up Bentley, nothing. I go, my boy right at the Audi dealer. He gonna get me that, get it right. Feel me? This car shares a lot of parts with Audi, Volkswagen. So you know, a lot of when I changed the turbos on this one. I used turbos out of RS7. I think it was RS7 or S7. So yeah, a lot of parts on this car. Look at everything. You know, you could save some money if you start looking up the part numbers and stuff like that. But yeah, check it out. All busted up, but we got all that on the way. So like I told you, this is gonna be an easy fix. Throw everything back in. The headlight is out for delivery, and we're gonna be sturdy. Work on these back to back so I can have them done. You feel me? Come on, you see the vibes, man. I just came back from the dealer. Had to pick up the water pump. You know, like I said, a lot of these parts are interchangeable with the Audis. You know, you just gotta look up the part numbers. Throw that water pump in there because it had a leak. So yeah, I got the radiators out on this one. All the new radiators are in. Got the small coolers are in. Yeah, just waiting on this grill and this fender's coming in. Could have fixed this fender, but I don't really want to put too much bone though. You know, this fender is real light. So, and you could tell it was fixed before, so there's no point in keep trying to fix it. You know what I'm saying? We got the fender for a good price, so you know, get it right. You don't want to have it looking sloppy. It's a newer car. It's expensive. This car is still going for clean title. This car is going for right now $80,000. So you know, this one's a rebuilt. It's gonna be a rebuilt title one. So, but yeah, you still want it to look nice. You don't want it to look all funny looking. So yeah, that's like I told you, this was gonna be an easy fix. I know people that get these type of cars and they let them sit for months. And nah, we don't play that. We need this car fixed quick. Get it on the road. Like I said, I didn't have no frame damage, no nothing. So and all the parts is available. So, like I said, you got money. I'm wrapping this joint up. Got my boy pulled up on me, Lil Raps. Make sure y'all hit him up. Get y'all car wraps. We doing the Bentley. Hit him up. This is grand. Tell me he pull up on you. Be getting sturdy. Watch when this joint is finished. It's gonna be fire. We're doing that 3M raspberry blue. You know the vibes. Remember, make sure y'all tap in. Nah, you see the vibes, man. In one day, almost done already. It's all in one day. That color coming out crazy. We doing carbon fiber on the roof and the spoiler and the mirrors. Crazy. Stay tuned. We almost there. Got my helper, he's checking, going over a little bit of things. Still gotta snap a couple things on, adjust the hood. But yeah, we looking good. Stay tuned. Got my helper, man, come on. We taking all that off. We throwing a wide body on this. Same color, wide body, you know the vibes. Got another project right here. Feel me? So we get right to it, man. A lot of projects, man. A lot of projects. Blueberry. Oh gosh, man. Crazy. Thanks to my helper right here. He the one that make it happen. It's Mr. Make It Happen right here. Let him know. Come on. Feel me, helper here. I'm not really a Mustang person, but this is what the customer bought from the auction. Did the front end for him real quick. Feel me, all the old parts, old fenders, old aftermarket front end. Still gotta fix it all right here. So yeah. Project right there. Need 2 airbags. Yeah, easy, quick fix. In and out. Like I said, just waiting on the wide body to come in and we're gonna finish that one. Come on, man, you see the vibes. I got toys for days, man. Cashed out, you know the vibes, man. We gotta wrap this too. This is looking nasty. But yeah. Still gotta put on a couple more trims on the side. And line a little bit more stuff up in the front and we good. Like I told you, man, easy turnaround. Shout out to my helper right here. He the one that put the whole car together, right? Let him know, boy. Yeah, man, you know, Toys R Us, man. Come on, man, you see the vibes. Get into the details, man. Fire, see the vibes. See, come on, look at that. Feel me? Stars on the ceiling, man, something light. Like I told you, easy turnaround. See the vibes, man. Easy You turn around, man. Stay tuned for the next bill, you heard?